how to transfer Roblox account to another device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can transfer your Roblox account to another device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, head towards roblox.com. After that, you have to click on sign up button at the top right corner and you will land on this kind of interface where you will have the login prompt in your device. Now, in order to transfer your Roblox account to another device, here you have an option for use another device. All you have to do is click on it. Once you click on it, you will get this quick sign in code, where you get two options. Option 1 to scan this QR code from your logged in device camera, or to type in the code manually. So if you're logged in with your Roblox account in your mobile device, then you have to open up Roblox in your mobile device where you are logged in into your account. After you open the Roblox on your device, tap on the more icon at the bottom right corner. On the menu page, scroll down a bit and there you will have an option as quick sign in. Tap on it. There you will have a text box to enter the code from other device, where you have to enter this code displayed on this interface on the option number 2. Once you type in this code, then tap on enter. Now it will ask for you to confirm it in your mobile device, and after you confirm it, you will be directly logged in into your account on this device. So that's how you can transfer your Roblox account to other device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.